Salve. My name is Rufus. I'm a legionary soldier with the 2nd Augustan Legion here in Caerleon. Never heard of Caerleon? If you were to come here today, you'd see an amphitheatre, barracks, baths, even a museum, all based in the tiny village of Caerleon in Newport. 2,000 years ago, this place was called Isca. It was a fortress packed with 5,000 or so Roman soldiers. We invaded Britannia, or Britain as you call it, to take control of the land and the resources, such as gold. We built a great fortress here in Isca for our soldiers. It was a base for fighting the enemy, the Silures tribe. Also, there was a deep river for our ships to bring us supplies. Of course, the local Celtic tribes put up a fight. The Silures tribe were one of the most fierce faced by the Roman army. It took almost 25 years to subdue them. Anyway, enough about the past. Visitors to Caerleon can still find evidence of the Roman fortress today. This is the Roman amphitheatre. 2,000 years ago, it was like a huge stadium. This is where the Roman soldiers would come to share information and watch the gladiators fighting. This is the Roman barracks. What you see today are the foundations of the buildings where thousands of Roman soldiers like me lived. 8 Roman soldiers lived in each of these tiny barrack rooms. In one half we slept, and in the other half we kept our armour and our weapons. As part of our training, we had to march 25 miles every day in full heavy armour. As you can imagine, after all that, all I wanted to do was relax in the legionary baths, where I could swim and enjoy myself in the steam room. Now there is a Roman museum in Caerleon. It is full of all the things us Romans left behind. Gemstones, coins, and even a stone coffin. There's also a nice Roman-style garden. I almost forgot to say, your teacher has signed you up for a Roman boot camp session. You'll have to learn how to march, in Latin of course, and explore the many items that the Romans have left behind. And there'll be many other challenges too. You can also ask questions about a soldier's life and the things you see in the museum. Wally, and good luck.